which book are you reading? This is the general question asked in corporates. In this 21st century, we are debating on the topic that books are better or e-books are better. I, Jaldeep Matalia, strongly believe that e-books are far more better than books. Now the question is why? The first point is, it is very easy available, just a click away. For books, you need to travel a lot, you need to find out that whether this book is available at this library or this shop. But in the case of e-books, you just need to click on Google, write the name of the book, and it's there in your system. The other point is portability. You cannot carry 100 books with you, But if you are reading e-books, you can carry thousands and thousands books in a single chip. Now, various choices comes into picture. Now, when you are going to buy a book, you cannot have the previous knowledge of the book. That means summary. You need to go to the library, you need to read that whether this book is about this or topic or that topic. But not in the case of e-books. You just need to find out that what are the summaries of the book very conveniently sitting at your home place and in the AC. Now, backup. In the case of e-books, you cannot have a backup of your books. And so in the case of e-books, you can have backup or not. If you don't have backup, download it again, and if you have backup, it's good. Sharing. You cannot share this book with 20 more people because it will take a big time to read individuals to read a book. It will take a huge time, and it's just not possible to read the same book by 20 people. But in the case of e-books, just put a link on your Facebook account. Hundreds and hundreds of your friends can be able to read the e-books. And other point is eco-friendly. For books, you need to cut down trees, and so many processes involved in books. But in the case of e-books, you just need a device. And this 21st century, it's not difficult to find internet or something like sharing options around you. And the current statistics shows that India is the third country in the world who use internet. So it's not big issue that you cannot have e-book from anywhere else. Thank you.